A beginner's guide. Are you interested in learning about Agile software development? In this video, we will provide you with a beginner's guide to Agile software development. Agile software development is a methodology that is used to develop software in a flexible and iterative manner. It emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and customer satisfaction. Agile software development is based on the Agile Manifesto, which was created in 2001 by a group of software developers who were frustrated with the traditional waterfall methodology. The Agile Manifesto values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. Agile software development is different from the waterfall methodology in that it is iterative and incremental. Instead of completing all the requirements before starting development, Agile teams work on small pieces of functionality, called user stories, and deliver them in short iterations, usually 2 to 4 weeks. Agile software development also emphasizes collaboration between the development team and the customer. The customer is involved in the development process and provides feedback on the functionality that is being developed. This feedback is used to improve the product and ensure that it meets the customer's needs. In the next segment, we will discuss the benefits of Agile software development. A beginner's guide. Now that we have discussed what Agile software development is, let's talk about the benefits of using this methodology. 1. Faster time to market. Agile software development allows teams to deliver working software in short iterations, which means that the product can be released to the market faster. This can give companies a competitive advantage and increase revenue. 2. Increased flexibility. Agile software development is flexible and adaptable, which means that changes can be made easily. This is important in today's fast-paced business environment where requirements can change quickly. 3. Improved quality. Agile software development emphasizes testing and continuous integration, which means that defects are caught early in the development process. This results in higher quality software that meets the customer's needs. 4. Better collaboration. Agile software development emphasizes collaboration between the development team and the customer. This means that the customer is involved in the development process and provides feedback on the functionality that is being developed. This feedback is used to improve the product and ensure that it meets the customer's needs. 5. Increased customer satisfaction. Agile software development focuses on delivering working software that meets the customer's needs. This means that the customer is more likely to be satisfied with the end product. In the next segment, we will discuss the Agile software development lifecycle. A beginner's guide. Now that we have discussed the benefits of Agile software development, let's talk about the Agile software development lifecycle. The Agile software development lifecycle consists of several phases, including 1. Planning. In this phase, the team identifies the requirements and creates a backlog of user stories. The team also estimates the effort required to complete each user story. 2. Sprint. A sprint is a short iteration, usually 2 to 4 weeks, where the team works on a set of user stories. The team plans the sprint during the planning phase and delivers the functionality at the end of the sprint. 3. Daily stand-up. During the sprint, the team holds a daily stand-up meeting to discuss progress and any issues that need to be addressed. 4. Review. At the end of the sprint, the team holds a review meeting to demonstrate the functionality that was developed during the sprint. The customer provides feedback on the functionality, and the team uses this feedback to improve the product. 5. Retrospective. After the review meeting, the team holds a retrospective meeting to discuss what went well during the sprint and what could be improved in the next sprint. 6. Repeat. The team repeats the sprint cycle until all the user stories in the backlog have been completed. The Agile software development lifecycle is iterative and incremental, which means that the team delivers working software in short iterations. This allows the team to respond to changes quickly and deliver a product that meets the customer's needs. In the next segment, we will discuss the roles and responsibilities in Agile software development. A beginner's guide. Now that we have discussed the Agile software development lifecycle, let's talk about the roles and responsibilities in Agile software development. 1. Product owner. The product owner is responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog. They work closely with the customer to understand their needs and ensure that the product meets those needs. 2. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the team follows the Agile methodology. They facilitate the daily stand-up meetings, sprint planning meetings, review meetings, and retrospective meetings. 3. Development Team. The development team is responsible for developing the functionality that is defined in the user stories. They work together to deliver working software in short iterations. In Agile software development, the team is self-organizing, which means that they decide how to complete the user stories and deliver the functionality. The team is also cross-functional, which means that they have all the skills necessary to complete the user stories. The roles and responsibilities in Agile software development are different from traditional software development methodologies. In Agile software development, the focus is on collaboration and delivering working software that meets the customer's needs. In the final segment, we will discuss some best practices for Agile software development. A beginner's guide. Now that we have discussed the roles and responsibilities in Agile software development, let's talk about some best practices for Agile software development. 1. Continuous integration. Continuous integration is the practice of integrating code changes into a shared repository frequently. This ensures that defects are caught early in the development process and that the software is always in a releasable state. 2. Test-driven development. Test-driven development is the practice of writing tests before writing the code. This ensures that the code meets the requirements and that defects are caught early in the development process. 3. Pair programming. Pair programming is the practice of two developers working together on the same code. This ensures that the code is of high quality and that knowledge is shared between the developers. 4. Retrospectives. Retrospectives are meetings where the team discusses what went well during the sprint and what could be improved in the next sprint. This ensures that the team is continuously improving and that the process is optimized for delivering working software. 5. Continuous improvement. Agile software development is based on the principle of continuous improvement. The team should always be looking for ways to improve the process and deliver higher quality software. In conclusion, Agile software development is a methodology that emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and customer satisfaction. It is based on the Agile Manifesto, which values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. Agile software development is different from traditional software development methodologies in that it is iterative and incremental. It also emphasizes collaboration between the development team and the customer. By following best practices and continuously improving, Agile software development can help teams deliver higher quality software that meets the customer's needs.